Coinbase is getting into NFTs. Vitalik Buterin says that Ethereum will surpass Bitcoin's market cap, and the price of Ethereum has been soaring. In this video, I'll be letting you know what Coinbase entering the NFT marketplace means for the future of NFTs and the future price for Ethereum. I'm Devin Cook. Let's talk about NFTs, and welcome back to DevMoney. Now, this all started on October 12th when Coinbase publicly announced that they were going to be entering the NFT space. And they wrote here on their blog that the Coinbase NFT is coming soon. Join the waitlist today for early access. Now, this is going to be huge for bringing NFTs to the general public. And Coinbase said that they're announcing a peer-to-peer marketplace that will make minting, purchasing, showcasing, and discovering NFTs easier than ever. Just as Coinbase helped millions of people access Bitcoin for the first time in an easy and trusted way, we want to do the same for NFTs. Coinbase was not the first cryptocurrency exchange, and even now it's not the most popular one, but Coinbase deserves a lot of the credit in terms of making crypto accessible to the everyday person and not seeming so intimidating. And Coinbase is always ranked very highly in terms of the top crypto exchanges. It's ranked number 4 with $5.16 billion in 24-hour trading volume. And back to their article with some of their goals, they say that creating the NFT should be as simple as tapping a few buttons. Anything more complicated is a barrier to creativity. With an intuitive design built on top of a decentralized marketplace, Coinbase NFT puts the art and artist experience at the forefront. And they say that they're designing the platform for social engagement and that your profile will showcase all of your NFTs in one place, helping you connect with like-minded fans or artists. And I personally can see that Coinbase is potentially going to do with NFTs what they did with crypto and what Robinhood did with stocks. Because Coinbase made Bitcoin very accessible for the average person, and Robinhood made stock purchasing very accessible for the average person as well. So now we just have to see if Coinbase is going to be able to do that same thing with NFTs. And I think that they probably will. Because if you look at the current situation with NFTs right now, there's a lot of steps that you have to take in order to get an NFT. Because from someone that's not familiar at all with cryptocurrency or NFTs, they not only have to figure out how to buy an NFT, but they also have to figure out how to buy crypto. And when they go to buy crypto, they're probably going to be using something like Coinbase because it's so easy to use and everyone recommends it. But once they have the Ethereum that they need in order to buy an NFT, it just gets real complicated from there, at least for the average person. Because then they have to send their Ethereum into another wallet, they have to set up that wallet, they have to secure that wallet and know how to keep it from getting hacked or scammed, they have to familiarize themselves with minting NFTs and that entire lingo, they have to know how to connect their MetaMask or whatever other wallet they're using to websites and what gas fees are and how all of that stuff works. And it's just a lot for the average person. So if Coinbase truly can make buying NFTs as simple as clicking a few buttons, I think this is going to be huge for bringing NFTs to the general population. And if you want to join their waitlist, you can. I'll leave a link down below in the bio. You can join their waitlist for early access. And ever since Coinbase announced this on October 12th, the price of Ethereum has just been skyrocketing. You can see here on the 12th that the price was right around $3,500 and it reached a peak price on the 20th of $4,300. And that's a massive return in just a short period of time. And you may be wondering, well, what does Coinbase entering the NFT space have to do with the price of Ethereum? Well, I'll get to that in just one second. But first, you also need to know what Vitalik Buterin, the founder of Ethereum, said in a recent interview. And in this interview, he talked about what's called the flippening, which is basically where the market cap of Ethereum finally surpasses the market cap of Bitcoin, which everyone has been talking about for a long time, but it has yet to happen. And he says that he thinks the biggest difference between Ethereum and Bitcoin is that Bitcoin is a platform where the value of the ecosystem comes from the value of a currency, but in Ethereum, the value of the currency comes from the value of the ecosystem. And then another thing that he said, which is very interesting and which ties us back to the price of Ethereum, is he said that NFTs have been very interesting from a cultural perspective because they bring people into Ethereum that have a completely different mindset than DeFi and regular crypto people, for example. Now, what does this all mean for the price of Ethereum? Well, with NFTs, in order to buy them, you have to use Ethereum, or at least most of the time. There are other NFTs that you can buy on the Cardano blockchain or the Solana blockchain, but the Ethereum NFTs are by far the most popular, and that's what a lot of these exchanges like OpenSea are built off of, serving you Ethereum NFTs. And we can see from this chart, the purple line right here, that the amount of Ethereum that is being stored on exchanges is steadily dropping by the day. This means that people are buying Ethereum and then sending it to cold storage wallets or other wallets that are not on a centralized exchange like Coinbase. Now, why would they be doing that? Well, they're sending them to other wallets like MetaMask so that they can purchase NFTs. And then also with the London hard fork upgrade and the move to EIP 1559, a portion of each transaction's gas fees are now being burned permanently, which means that Ethereum is now gone forever. We can see here that already 6 million Ethereum has been burned, and we can see a lot more stats about this. But as you can probably deduce by simple economics, if we have less Ethereum because it's getting burned, that's going to influence the price and potentially cause it to go up. So we have all of these factors at play here. We have Coinbase entering the NFT marketplace. We have Vitalik Buterin again talking about the flippening and giving more credence to the idea that the Ethereum market cap is going to surpass that of Bitcoins. You have more and more people moving their Ethereum off of exchanges to use them to purchase NFTs, and every day we're having more and more Ethereum burned out of existence. So all of those factors together are really helping squeeze that price of Ethereum upwards. And then once Coinbase actually launches their NFT marketplace, and if it's as good as Coinbase has been for crypto and Robinhood has been for stocks, we're gonna get a large influx of people buying NFTs, which means we're gonna have a lot more people buying Ethereum, which means more demand, which means the price is probably gonna go way higher. I am pretty bullish on NFTs and Ethereum. I don't necessarily think that Ethereum is gonna be the one blockchain to rule them all. I do think Cardano and Solana and other NFT blockchains will live alongside of Ethereum, and obviously Bitcoin is still gonna be a major force in the crypto world. But I, for one, am of the opinion that NFTs and Ethereum are gonna be around for the long haul, and I really think we're just seeing the start of how crazy everything's gonna get. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.